In this video, I'm going to talk about tracking your clicks to your advertising through Bitly. That's bit.ly is the URL, and I'm here at Bitly. And if you don't have a Bitly account, it's easy. You just want to go ahead and go to bit.ly and click on Sign Up. And all you need is a username, email, and password, and you sign up, and you can go ahead and use the Bitly service. Now in this case, I'm going to be tracking clicks to a call to action overlay on a YouTube video. So I have all sorts of different kinds of traffic coming into this video, and then I'm going to talk about just a little bit about where those clicks might go. But basically, what Bitly can do for you is track clicks, and so I'm going to be tracking the clicks on this call to action overlay. And I want to point out that in this setup right here, or really in any kind of advertising setup where you don't know how many clicks you're getting, if you're sending your users straight to your sales page, you know how many purchases you're getting off of that sales page, because if you're an affiliate, you can just look at your affiliate records. If it's your own product, you're just looking at your purchase records. And in this case, because I am putting this call to action overlay ad on a YouTube video, I can go into YouTube and look at the stats on how many views my video is getting. So I know how many views my video is getting, and I know how many purchases I'm getting. And so the missing link there is knowing how many clicks, and then you have a good set of numbers to start calculating your visitor value, calculating your cost per conversion, per sale, those kind of numbers. Now if you have an opt-in form, it's a similar thing. You know how many views your video is getting, you know how many people are opting in, and you know how many purchases you're getting, but you don't know about these clicks, and that's just a really vital number to know how effective your campaigns are. And so we're going to use Bitly. I'm just going to go ahead and sign in to Bitly and show how you would use this to track a click on a call to action overlay on a video. So I'm at YouTube here, and this is one of Chad's videos, and it has this call to action overlay which appears here: weird bum marketing trick, transform.articles, and 3 easy steps, and then we've got a link here to arborgroup.org and then to the sales page, and this is the ad that I want to track. How many people are clicking on this? So the way I'm going to do that is I'm going to go back into my YouTube account. I'm going to go to my videos. I'm just going to scroll down here and find the traffic system view of my stats, and I'm going to click on edit. Now I get a call to action overlay option on this video because I'm promoting it through YouTube promoted videos, and so I can look right here at my call to action overlay, and this is the information about my my ad. And so you can see I've got a display URL, which is the URL of the sales page, and then I've got a destination URL, which is a different URL. And that's key here when you're wanting to use Bitly to track, because I'm just going to go ahead and copy this, and I'm going to go back into Bitly, and I'm going to just type HTTP, and then I'm going to enter that in, and you can see Bitly just immediately shortens this into this little URL, and then it gives me an option here to just go ahead and copy that. Now I copy that URL, and then I'm going to go back into my call to action overlay information, and I'm going to paste that URL right here into this spot. Now it already has an HTTP there, so I'm going to just back that up. And now this link here is the actual URL they're going to be clicking on, and it is going to take them to this page. So I go ahead and save my changes. And then if I refresh this, it looks exactly the same. The video starts playing at about 10 seconds. This call to action overlay comes up, and you'll see that because I didn't change my display URL, it's still showing that web page. And in fact, if I click on it, it actually takes me to that web page. So I'm there at the web page. Looks great, but the interesting thing is that even though it took me straight to the sales page, if I go back over to my Bitly account, you can see that it is showing me now one click on this struggling bum marketers and article marketers, basically one click on that call to action overlay that I clicked on. And so using Bitly is just a really simple way. I can click on the info page too, and get a little more information. It allows me to kind of choose a time period that I want to see how many clicks I got. And so it's a very simple click tracking, but very, very useful if you don't have a way to track clicks. Because like I said, you can look up your, how many opt-ins you're getting. You can look at how many purchases you're getting from your sales page. You can even, in this example on your YouTube video, look at how many views your video is getting. But unless you're tracking those clicks, you're missing a really vital component to measuring the effectiveness of your marketing. And so Bitly is just a really simple system. If you're not really technical and you're a little intimidated by the other tracking systems, start here, start tracking, and I think you're going to really find it effective.